Morning and welcome to week 3. I've enjoyed reading your reactions to what you learned about the DaVinci Academy. I had a chance to visit there once several years ago and was very impressed. I think that I can say I saw all of the kinds of things that you noticed in the videos and what you read. I noticed that firsthand there. I was really impressed. Several of you raised questions about testing, test scores, how those students at DaVinci compare to other students in Hall County and across Georgia. I don't know. And I asked Isabel Crowder, she did her dissertation research at DaVinci Academy, but she told me her original study was going to be a comparison of standardized test scores, and then she couldn't get that through and approved. So, to her knowledge, no one has done such a study. And if any of you are interested in doing something like that, if you go on to work on a PhD, that would be a great topic. And I just looked around last night and I couldn't find anything. So, that's a great question, and I don't know the answer. But I think we can all agree that the teaching methods that we saw and the blend of creativity and critical thinking that are infused in the program there, I feel like have to be good for kids. When kids are engaged, then they're learning. So while I can't prove it, I'm sure that those kids are learning and achieving at a high level. Most of you have submitted your requests for the program or competition that you want to research. I think I'm just waiting on one. And you'll notice that I created a page for each of you for that. You won't submit that assignment the way you typically have for every other assignment in Dropbox. So you're going to be creating a page there. It's a little bit different, the process, but I think the directions will be pretty clear and you won't have any trouble. But if you do, let me know. So this week we'll continue talking about creativity and critical thinking. There are 3 fabulous TED Talks by Ken Robinson. If you haven't heard him, he's fabulous. He's one of my favorites. And the first one that you'll see is the one that was circulated most widely, but the other 2 I feel like are just as good. Let's see, we're going to learn about research skills, leadership skills, and affective education. I hope you'll have a great week, and your field experience number 1 is due at the end of the week. If you can't get into Atlas or you're still having trouble, let me know. A couple people have said that they could only see the kindergarten case, the first one listed, and then they couldn't see any others. But then they wrote to me a couple hours later and said, never mind, I'm fine. Maybe it's an Atlas issue. So if that happens to you, maybe wait a couple hours and try again. But if you cannot see the other cases, do keep telling me because we've got to fix it. Okay, have a great week, and I will see you later.